Okay, hello everybody. This is how to log into Savvis. So you need to log into Pearson Realize to do this today's assignment. Please follow the directions. These are the steps that you need to follow. The first step is click on the Savvis link. Okay, that's what it says. And the next step is click on Sign In. So the sign in is right here. Click on the sign in. Third step, click on Savvis Easy Bridge Plus and Naro. And it's right here. Okay, not here, not yet. Don't put the information, but the bottom one. Okay, and then the third step or the fourth step, type Rio Hondo School District. The Rio Hondo School District right here, you type it, and then you hit the go. And then here, the fifth step, type your ID only, username, and the 6-digit birthday, STU. So your ID only. And I'm going to use the student's information to show you how to do it. And capital STU, and then the 6-digit birthday. And then you sign in. And then once you're here, it says pick a profile icon and image of your homepage. We're on number 6. So I'm just going to pick any profile here. This and this. And then you click let's go according to number 7. Let's go. You click let's go. Okay, so once you're in, under classes, you're going to see the assignments. The assignments are under classes. So you click where it says October 20 due date next assignment, that's what you're going to work on today. You click on it, and then this is the placement test you're going to be doing. Okay, once you hit the placement test, then you hit the placement test again, and then here's where you start it. You start the placement test. To play and pause the audio of this activity, click on audio. So you click on the audio, and you can pause it if you want. Pause it or you can track it back. So right here is question number 1, persona numero uno, and this is what you're going to be answering. So yeah. Three farmers, un avión, padres, dos farmers. So they're going to play twice. Okay. So once you do that one, you're going to click to the next one. Then the next one is also a listening one, and you keep on playing it. And the third one is a listening one. And this is what you read and you answer. Number 4. You read and answer number 5. Read and answer number 6. Read and answer number 7. Read and answer number 8. And then here you fill in the blank. Read it and then fill in the blank. Same with number 10, number 11, number 12, 13, 14, and then here 15. You need to write. Your writing will be graded on the amount. Okay, so you need to write here. Write about the types of disaster that was happening here. So you read it, then you look at it, and then you write right here whatever it is that they're asking you to write, and make sure you read it carefully. That's number 16, and then number 17. Here you're going to record yourself. Your teacher may ask you to speak on one of the following topics. Hablar. That's the topic. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 topics. You pick only one topic. And once you're ready, okay, you're going to hit the record here. You hit the record, and then it starts recording whatever it is that you need to, whatever topic you pick. And basically that's it. Okay, so once you finish with this, you just hit the next, or you want to review everything. I didn't answer most of these. I want the student to answer them. And then you do submit work right here. Okay, so basically that's what you have to do for this for today, which is due tomorrow. Just look at the video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching this.